Dear students, good morning to all. Welcome to our online science class. In this session, we discussed about distance and displacement. Look at this picture. We have two paths to reach the destination. For example, from your house to school. In this, we have different paths to reach the destination, but we choose only very short distances, or you select to reach the destination early. Similarly, look at this picture. The leaf fell down in two cases. Here, in first path of the leaf, when there is no wind, and then in second case, the path of the leaf when there is wind. Listen, in this, in which path of the leaf will reach the ground first? From this, you know which path of the leaf will reach first. Yes, the path of the leaf will reach first when there is no wind. Look at this picture. In this picture, path A shows the distance between school and playground, and path B shows the distance between school and house. If you like to go to playground to play, you have two paths. One is path A and another one is path B. In this, you choose path A because path A is the shortest distance and path B is the longest distance. So, you choose path A to reach the playground early. So, from the above example, we could conclude that when an object travels from one place to another, it will reach faster if it travels along the straight line path. So, the straight line path is the shortest distance between 2 points. So, what is distance and displacement? First, distance. The total length of a path taken by an object to reach one place from other is called distance. For example, the distance between your house to school. In that, you move from your house to school. So, the path taken by you is called distance. Next, displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance from the initial position to the final position. For example, look at this picture. We have three paths to reach from A to B. Listen, in first path, the distance between A and B is 10 km, and in second path, the distance between A and B is 7 km. But in third path, the distance between A and B is only 5 km. So, from this, we know the shortest distance between A and B is third path. So, this is displacement. Another one example for displacement. Look at this picture. This picture shows the path of an object traveling from A to B. Listen, in that, the total distance traveled by an object is 120 meter, but the shortest distance between A and B is 40 meter. So the distance traveled by an object is 120 meter, but the displacement of the object is 40 meter. Next, facts about distance and displacement. First, distance is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude but not the specified direction, whereas displacement is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. Next, distance cannot be 0, but displacement can be 0. Dear students, you are enjoyed this session. We will meet again in next session with another topic. Thank you.